Okay, sweet. So we're going to go ahead and download watchOS 2 for our Apple Watch. I'm going to start from the beginning here. And as you can see, this is my home page. And on the front page, I have the Apple Watch app. I'm going to tap on it. And you see it gives us this information, a little introduction to what the major updates for watchOS 2 are. And if you want to learn more, you can click Learn More. And it goes through all of the changes that are going to be made with watchOS 2. Reading through these, sometimes you can find some hidden gems of interesting changes to the software. But what I'm going to do is back out of this, and we're going to dive right into downloading the new software because this is going to take some time, most definitely. So I'm going to go ahead and touch Download and Install. And it's going to ask me for my passcode. Okay, and then it's going to have me agree to the terms and conditions. And it's going to start right away downloading the new software. Okay, so after the stage of preparing and downloading, it gave me this dialog bubble here that you can see, and it says to install the update, the Apple Watch must be connected to its charger and charged at least 50%. So what I'm going to do is use my Apple Watch charger and connect it right away. And right away, you'll see that it pops up with an invitation to install the new OS, and we can go ahead and tap install and hit OK on the iPhone. It's going to go ahead and verify it, as you can see it's doing right here on the iPhone. Okay, and now that it's verified, it's installing it directly to the Apple Watch, as you can see right here, installing. We got the Apple logo that popped up, which means it's rebooting. Okay, so now we got a different white Apple logo. This is different. Every time I've booted up my Apple Watch previously with the previous operating system, it's always been that really faded Apple logo. But this is a stark white Apple logo, which definitely signifies that this is a new operating system. It even looks like it has this progress circle that it's going around. Now there's two little nicks that it's passed, and I'm assuming once it reaches full circle, we'll have the new OS. It's kind of weird because it's jumped back to watchOS 1.0 here, and after it's went through that ring the second time, it's just at the white logo. So we'll see what happens. Okay, so we're back to the watch screen, and I have a feeling it didn't install for some reason. So let's check it out here. Customize. Oh, it did. Because now we have a new color option. There's a light orange and there is a orange. Red, white, multicolor, nice. So yes, it did update with watchOS 2.0. And I'm gonna save that multicolor watch face there. Oh, that looks so good. I love that. Okay, now we're going to go through the rest of the course, and I'm going to give you a tour of watchOS 2.0.